Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. I'm Kavya, second MSc Microbiology from Sacred Art College, Tirupattur. Now we are going to see the topic is yeast and its industrial uses. Introduction. Yeast as an industrial powerhouse. The thousands of years, humans have unknowledgeably connected the power of yeast to produce basic foods and beverages. Today, yeast is one of the most important microorganisms in the industrial biotechnology. It is ability to convert simple sugar into energy, carbon dioxide, and various other components throughout fermentation makes it an replaceable cell factory. From the bread we eat and the beer we drink to modern biofuel and the yeast industrial applications are fundamental to our daily lives. What is yeast? Kingdom fungi type single cellular eukaryotic microorganisms. Size and shape typically ovals or spherical, visible only under the microscope. Reproduction primarily throughout budding, where the smaller daughter cell growing from the parent cell. Habitat found naturally on the plant leaves and flowers in soil, on the fruit skin, and even in the human body. While there are over 1,500 species, the most industrial scientific species is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The fermentation process. This is the metabolic process, a way of yeast to generate energy ATP in the absence of oxygen, anaerobic condition. First, sugar uptake. Yeast cell absorb simple sugar, mainly sucrose, but it's also fructose, maltose, and sucrose from their environmental. Glycolysis, sugar splitting inside the cell throughout a series of 10 biochemical reactions. A single 6 carbon glucose molecule is broken down into two 3 carbon molecules and called pyruvate. This small process yields a net gain of 2 ATP molecules and 2 NAD molecules and an electron carrier. Anaerobic fermentation. Since oxygen is absent, pyruvate cannot enter the aerobic Krebs cycle. It undergoes fermentation. In Saccharomyces cerevisiae is primarily mean alcoholic fermentation. Pyruvate is the first converted to acetaldehyde releasing carbon dioxide. Acetaldehyde is then rapidly converted by the enzyme alcoholic dehydrogenases into ethanol while recycling NADH back to NAD, which is needed to keep glycolysis running. Glucose plus 2 ethanol plus 2 carbon dioxide plus energy. Major industrial uses of yeast: baking, bread making, alcoholic beverages, nutrition and probiotics, industrial ethanol production. Baking, bread making. Primary role of yeast to make bread rise. Product carbon dioxide. The ethanol produced is the secondary byproduct dissolved during baking process. The yeast is mixed into drought container flour and water. Enzyme in the flour break down starch into simple sugar like maltose. Yeast ferments the sugar, producing the carbon dioxide gas bubbles. These bubbles get trapped in the network of the bread, causing its rise. During the baking, the heat kills the yeast set and the structure, and the gas bubbles expand, give the final bread it is soft, sponge, and airy structure. Alcoholic beverages. Primary role of yeast: ethanol and flavoring producer. Product: ethanol and complex area of flavor components. The process: beer yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, ferments sugars divided from beer or apple spears. Hops they are add for the bitterness and flavoring. Wine yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, naturally present on grape skin or adding as a cultural stained, ferments the grape juice, converting its fructose and glucose into alcohol. The carbon dioxide is allowed to escape in the still wine or trapped to make a sparkling wine. Distilled spirits: whiskey, vodka, rum, gin. This is a step 2 process. Fermentation: yeast first create a wash, a low alcohol beer or wine from grain potatoes. Distillation: the wash is heated since ethanol boiling at a lower temperature. Then the water is heat first, is collected and considered into a high alcoholic spirit. Yeast is responsible for the initial alcohol and many base flavor, the distillation concentration. Nutrition and probiotics. Nutrition: yeast is used in the nutritional supplemented, especially those marketing to vegans. It is often referred to as a nutritional yeast. When the sold as a supplemented yeast is usually Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is an excellent source of protein and vitamins, especially the B complex vitamins. Probiotics: some probiotic supplements use the yeast Saccharomyces boulardii to maintain and restore the natural flow in the gastrointestinal tract. Industrial ethanol production. In the industry of fermentation, yeast is used not only in the food industry to make bread, wine, and beer, but also in non-food industries such as the biofuel industry to produce ethanol. Bioethanol is the principal fuel used as a petrol for road transport vehicles, which is a clean, colorless liquid, biodegradable, low in toxicity, and cause little environmental pollution. Thank you.